student. I'm your computer teacher. Today I'm going to start our first chapter of 5th class Computer Evolutions. In this chapter we read about the evolution of the computer and history of the computer. Okay student, let's continue our chapter. Student, today we learn our first chapter. Our first chapter is Evolution of Computer. Every aspect in our lives in this present era has been influenced by the most advanced machine known as computer. There also computer use. Now, initially were used only by scientists and engineer for complex calculation. Now, our next is, but nowadays computer era cheaper, even small organization or individual can afford them. Means every cheaper means cost, low cost. Okay, so every person can purchase individually. Computers are used extensively in bank, hospital and entertainment industries, schools, home, space technology and research, railway, airport, etc. Means many places computer are used. Okay, now next is the term computer has derived from the word compute. Compute means calculate, but a computer is known as limited to performing only can calculation. Means जो computer है सिर्फ calculation नहीं कर सकता है. A computer is versatile device that can help different types of applications. Let us glance through the major milestone in the journey of computer, leading the evolution of present day computer. So, let's the first history of computer. History of computer in first earlier computer. History of computer starting from the abacus, first counting device. Many devices were leading to development of computers. There are different types of computers shown in this picture. Now, history of computer, it need to keep track of number, lead to invention of different calculation devices, because we have no calculation devices before that. Now abacus were invented of that time. Abacus was the first mechanical device used for calculation. It was developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame with the rod. Each have the beads. You see beads there. The frame was divided into two parts. First part is heaven and second part is earth. Each rod in heaven has two beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. Okay, that is our abacus. Abacus was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication. We use the abacus of calculations. Fact files. The rod were made up the curved bones which were used performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square root. Various calculation devices. Student, today we learn our first chapter. Our first chapter is Evolution of Computer. Every aspect in our lives. In IT inventor Augusta Ada Lovelace, she is considered as the first programmer who suggest the binary data storage 0 and 1 instead of decimal system. Means to Augusta Ada Lovelace lady, she is the first program of our computer world. Okay, so next is early IT inventor is George Boole. He released the complex mathematical problem could be solved by reducing them the series of the question having either the positive or negative answers. Means George Boole introduced the machine which give the positive or negative answers. Early IT inventor is this theory of Boolean logic became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuitry. Early IT inventor Dr. Herman Horleth. Dr. Herman Horleth and American statistician invented tabulating machine. Statistician. Early IT inventor Herman Horleth. This is our ADVEC machine. This machine was capable of reading data, processing it, giving the desired output. Means which type of data we enter in this unit, then we get that type of data result. The input in this machine was given through the punch card. Early IT inventor is John von Neumann. John von Neumann, a modern type of computer, came into the existence with the John von Neumann development of the software written by the binary code. Early IT inventor John von Neumann and John McLeay and in the consulting role and ADVEC was built using binary code. Early IT inventor John von Neumann make these types of computer. These computers are very big in size. ADVEC concept of storing different program on punch card lead to the advancement of the computer that we know today. Early IT inventor Howard Alkane. Howard Alkane was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controlled. He is the first CEO of the IBM company. ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. The first general purpose electronic digital computer was invented by John McLeay and J. Presfer. This computer is very big in size, like a room. Okay, in this computer they consume the lot of electricity and lot of space. ENIAC, it consisted of 18,000 vacuum tube and was 100,000 times faster than the Mark I. ENIAC, electronic numerical indicator and computer, the first general purpose electronic digital computer, was invented by John McLeay and Jesper Alcard in 1946. Now the fact, physically ENIAC was very large in size. It weighed 30 ton and consumed 150 kilowatt of power. It was 100 feet long and 10 feet tall. Means it is a very big in size. Okay, now next is ENIAC. ENIAC, Universal Automatic Computer I, was the world's first commercial available computer designed by J. Presper Eckert and John McLeay in 1946. ENIAC also they both introduced, and at UNIVAC also they introduced after 10 years. Now next is our generation of computer. Evolution of present day computer can be classified into the generation of computer. Generation of computer. First generation of computer. In first generation, first period 1940 to 56. Vacuum tube they are used in circuitry. Data input through the punch card. Data output in printout form. External storage is magnetic tape. Language, machine language it understand. For example, ENIAC, ADVEC are the example of first generation. Generation Second generation of the computer 1956 to 63. Our second generation introduced. Transistors were used in this generation. Punch card and paper tape are used in data input. Printout used in output form. Magnetic tape used for external devices. These computers understand language Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, PLI-1. For example, IBM 1400 and 700 series, IBM 350 are the example of second generation. Now, third generation of computer. Third generation computer IC is used in circuitry. Data input is through the keyboard, output through the monitor. External device is magnetic disk. Language sophisticated OS were used: Pascal, Fortran, COBOL, RPG. IBM System 360, Apple I, Altair are the example of third generation computer. Now next is fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computer start from 1972. At present, circuitry microprocessors are used in this generation. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. are used for data input. Monitor, printer, speaker, plotter are used for in output. Magnetic disk with higher capacity we use for external storage devices. Use the special software for maintaining large database RDBMS, C++ in 1985. For IBM PC in 1980, Apple Macintosh in 1984 are the example of fourth generation computer. Now is a fifth generation computer. In fifth generation computer circuitry with artificial intelligence, we use optical fiber technology to handle artificial intelligence capacity and think and reason through the data input. Output are undesirable, and language understand human speech, recognize pattern like face and other complex images. So students, today we discuss about the generation of the computer. Each generation resulted the following changes in the computer. First is increase in speed, storage capacity and reliability, and next is decrease in size. So student, now thank you. Hope so you are understand in this video. You understand this video. If any doubt related to that, then you ask from me. Okay.